what are data types? So in Python, there are many data types. Well, in every programming language has different data types, including Python. So in Python, there are many different data types, and I'll tell one by one in each and every one of them. So the first one, let me tell you the fundamental data types. The fundamental data types are integer, uh, float, Boolean, and string, well, list, tuple, and set, and dictionary, dic. So see, when I type any of them, the color will be changed. Like integer, float, any of them, when I type, the color will be changed. It is because these are reserved words. These are reserved data types. These are the things which means something in the Python programming language. So integer is number, like 1, 2, 3, like any number we can call. So float means floating point number, or something like 10.5, 10.10, like 10.2, like this. And Boolean means true and false. So a string means a string, which is very obvious to everyone. Well, the list, as if you know the mathematical operations or you are good in mathematics, you will know the list you already. So the list is also fundamental data types in Python. And tuple also, we'll talk about this later on. Set of something we can call. So I'll tell each and everything, and I'll explain everything about this. And dictionary is also a data type in Python. So these are the fundamental data types. Well, other data types we also have, like classes. Later on we will tell about this, and I'll talk about this. So classes are specialized or custom types, like we create our own. If we face something, if you want to use something like that which are not here in this list, we use the, like, we create our own. So let me tell you one another thing in this, that's complex. Complex is also a number, which also a data type, which is like is very specialized one, is very common, which we do not use mostly. So but this is also in the fundamental data types list, and the class is also in this list. We just use this. And well, another data type is specialized data types, like packages and modules. So we have different of them. Like when we face something and we do not find any of them useful in that situation, we use some special packages and modules, which we call them data types, specialized data types. And the last one is none. None, as you know from his name, that nothing. It says nothing. So overall we can say that absence of value. So this is also another data type in Python programming language. So these are the data types, and these are the fundamental, like complex is for imaginary or real number. And classes we have none, and we have some specialized data types like packages and modules. In the next video we will explain, and I'll explain integer and float very clearly and everything about this. And like that we will continue on about Boolean, string, list, and so on. So we will talk about the classes as well, the none keyword as well. So these are the reserved keywords, and these are means something in Python. So I'll talk about them in the next videos.